To solve this problem, let us first start by seeing what is given. We are given a figure which has two triangles, triangle ACD and triangle ABC. Now what are we supposed to find out? We have to find the sum of all these angles. So let us identify these angles in the figure. Angle DAB, angle ABC, angle BCD and angle CDA. Now we know that these angles are a part of the two triangles, and since we are interested in sum of the angles, we know about the angle sum property of a triangle. So let us begin by first considering the triangle ACD. Now in this triangle we know that sum of all the angles is equal to 180. So let us start by making a note of this. But as is our practice, we will first make a table which has two columns, statement and reason, and write this as our first statement, that in triangle ACD, angle DAC plus angle ACD plus angle CDA equals to 180 degrees. And the reason for this is the triangle angle sum property, which says that sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Now, just as we did for this triangle ACD, let us now look at triangle ABC. In this triangle as well, the sum of all the angles will be equal to 180. So let us write that down as statement number 2. That in triangle ABC, angle ABC plus angle BCA plus angle CAB equals to 180 degrees. And the reason is the same as the first case, that is triangle angle sum property, which states that sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Now, suppose we add the angles in statement 1 and 2. That is, we add the left hand side of both these statements and the right hand side of both these statements. Then we will get sum of all the angles. We will get angle ABC plus angle BCA plus angle CAB plus angle DAC plus angle ACD plus angle CDA, and that should be equal to 180 plus 180. The reason is we have just added the corresponding sides of the statement 1 and 2. So now we have got a sum of all angles. If you look at what we have to find out, we have to find angle DAB. Look at the figure. Angle DAB consists of the sum of two angles. Angles DAC, which is circled over here, and angle CAB, which is also circled. So instead of DAB, we can actually write angle DAC plus angle CAB. So let us make a note of that as statement number 4. We will write that as angle DAC plus angle CAB equals to angle DAB. And the reason is this is given, it is shown in the figure that these two are adjacent angles. On similar lines, now let us look at angle BCD. We can see that this is a sum of two angles, angle ACD and angle BCA, and these two are adjacent angles. So angle BCD is actually nothing but a sum of these two angles. Let us make a note of that as statement number 5. So we write angle ACD plus angle BCA is equal to angle BCD. And the reason is that this is given, it is shown in the figure that these two angles, angle ACD plus angle BCA, are adjacent angles. Now let us substitute these values in statement number 3 and rewrite it. So this will be angle DAB, which is written in place of angle DAC plus CAB plus angle ABC plus angle BCD, which is written in place of angle ACD and angle BCA plus angle CDA. This is equal to 360. We have substituted values from 4 and 5 in 3. And this is exactly what we wanted to find out. So write down the answer, and that's the end of this solution.